Hi there, welcome to our digital content creation course. My name is Pedro Pereira and I'll be with you throughout these 3 videos. So first we'll have a look at the table of contents. Today we're going to talk about the introduction to digital content. Then for the next video, we'll have a look at how you can better understand your audience. And then for the last video, we'll discuss content planning and creation. So for today, as I said, we're going to have a look at the introduction to digital content. We'll start with the definition of digital content. Basically, digital content includes any information or media that we see, hear, interact with on our electronic devices. It can be an article, a video, an image, or any app that we use in our smartphone. Then we also have the components of digital content. So it's important for us to analyze the different types. We have information, can be news websites, for example, we have entertainment. We'll use digital content for movies and music, or for education purposes, such as this course, for example. Then we also have creation and distribution. So here can be social media. We have Instagram, TikTok, and also Facebook. Then there is also blog posts, also podcasts and streaming services, such as Netflix, HBO, or even Disney+. And now another important component is accessibility. As you know, you can access this content from anywhere at any time via computers, smartphones, tablets, TVs, and Kindles. Then another important thing to analyze is why digital content is so important and relevant for our society. First of all, because it became a primary source for information and education. People are using Moodle and other learning apps throughout the world for schools and universities to support formal education, and then also for marketing and communication. This is very important. Business that have been leveraging digital content for raise awareness of the brand, to create more engagement with their clients, and then also for entertainment and creativity. The digital content, it offers endless possibilities for both creators and the audiences. Now we have a really wide variety of content online. And then we also need to try to understand what is the impact of digital content. So there are definitely different impacts. We have first the economic impact. This one is very important. As you see now, there are many jobs being created in the digital space. Just in the case of freelancing, we have a really large percentage of the population that is working in freelance online. Then we also have the review generation. This has changed to be the digital content. Creators have a lot of ad partnerships and lots of sponsorships. And then we also need to have a look at social and cultural impact. So as you know, digital content has allowed for people to communicate with each other in different countries, in different time zones, in different languages. This, of course, is something that is very important to point out. And also there is a democratization of information. This is also something very crucial because it's people can access information from a lot of different sources in different countries, in different languages, and something very positive for humanity and for freedom of speech and freedom of information. And then we also have the challenges and considerations. So we have seen that it's also important to point out that digital content also contributes for the polarization of society. This also already happens in the US. It's very pro-human there, but also in Europe. We've seen many cases of societies that have become more polarized thanks to social media especially. We also have the problems of cyberbullying, privacy and copywriting issues that people in our societies have been worrying about in the last few decades, thanks to digital content, of course. And then we'd like to have a short conclusion. So here today, basically, we just have covered the basics of digital content. We started to look at the definition, what digital content is. Then we went through all the components of digital content. Then we explained why it is so important. And at the end, we also saw the different impacts of digital content. So this was everything for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. And next week, we are having to have a look at how we can better understand our online audience. If you have any doubts, don't hesitate to contact us.